Hey guys, what is going on? This is Tanvir. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can update your OnePlus 3T or OnePlus 3 to Android 9. So guys, that's really easy. So guys, let's get started. At first, check the description of this video and you will find a download link. Click on that link. I'm opening that link. Open with any browser you have. Wait for 5 seconds. Here you have to wait for 5 seconds. Click now click on this yellow button, skip ad. Here you have to wait for some time and it will automatically redirect, or it can ask for your permission. So after that it will redirect you to this page. Scroll down from here. From here you can select OnePlus 3T or OnePlus 3 or OnePlus 3. I'm selecting OnePlus 3T. So you can see here the official update. Here you can see the 9.0.6 version 9.0.6 and updated on November 29, 2019. 1.52 GB. You can see from here. System update. You can see everything is clear written here. So let me download it. I'm downloading it. You can see it has started downloading. It's really fast. I can see it's really fast. So guys, after downloading this you have to install it manually. So if you do not know how to install it manually, have to upgrade your system, you can read up from here. Download the software built for your device on the page. Check, please back up your device before flashing your device. Plug your phone into your computer and copy the download.zip to your phone storage. If you are using a Mac, you can install Android file transfer for this operation. After the zip file is copied to your phone, go to settings and system update. Click the settings icon and the top right corner, choose local upgrade, find the zip file and click on install to confirm. The update takes about a minute depending upon the file size. Once done, reboot your device to boot into the latest Oxygen OS. So that's all guys. You can update by this firmware. So if you find this helpful, please guys subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you guys, stay with us.